Hello guys, today I am going to review my new hoodie that is I bought from Myntra, and it is Puma brand, Puma red color ESS hoodie regular fit, and I got it in very low prices because of discount that is given on end of the season sale. I was waiting for the right time to buy this one in very low and discounted price. So let's see, I was very eagerly waiting to open this box. So let's see, I got it around 1000 rupees, which again I used my Myntra voucher, and my fine price is rupees 521. So let's see. Oh my god, this one looks very good. Let's see the bill, and here it is. The bill amount is 1140. Yeah, it is very low, and at this price I think it is a good deal to buy. And my first impression by looking at this is wow, color. At first I thought it might be a little bit faded or low as compared to the description given on the website, because they in their picture they use lighting which gives extra color, but by seeing at this also looks same. It's bright and red. Oh my god, wow, this looks great, man. Awesome. Yeah, and about the size, I ordered the small size because I was not knowing about the size whether which will fit in my body, so I went for a small size. And let's see, it looks great. I think it is original. Let's see about the logos and tags. Here in the tags, this amount is shown, date of manufacture, barcode and all, and the size is also given. Yeah, it is correct. Yeah, it looks good. I don't think it is fake one. And Puma brand is also looking good. Also there is one side tag also given, that is Puma brand, and also there is one also inside tag that is label Puma brand. Yeah, and it is confirmed that it is not fake. This product is also available in Flipkart, but I didn't go in Flipkart because I don't trust Flipkart. I only trust in Myntra, and as per the Myntra product, it is 100% original. Yeah, it looks good. So guys, I tried this hoodie on myself and it looks great, and the actual size and fittings and all, it is perfect. For me it is very much good product, and I am happy with this product. The inside material is also soft, which would keep you warm, and yeah, I am very much happy with this product.